Life, with all its twists and turns, often leaves us at a crossroads where reflection becomes imperative. But let's be honest, assessing our life's journey is no easy feat. Whether it's the intricate dance of financial security, the delicate balance of family life, our position in the corporate hierarchy, or the evolving dynamics with our nearest and dearest, each facet contributes to the complex tapestry of our existence. We'll be diving into some practical tips on how to reset your life without any complicated jargon. So, grab a comfy seat and let's get started. First things first, before you hit the reboot, you've got to know what's not working. Take a moment to reflect on your life. What areas make you cringe or feel stuck? It could be your job, relationships, or maybe just the overall vibe. Acknowledge the problems or gaps, because recognizing the issues is the first step to fixing them. Now, let's talk about how to start making those changes. It's all about starting small with a big long-term plan. Think of it like building a house. You don't start with the roof, you start with a solid foundation. So, set small, achievable goals that align with the bigger picture. Want to eat healthier? Maybe start by incorporating one veggie into your meals each day. Small changes lead to big transformations. One key element to making changes is consistency. It's not about a massive overhaul overnight, it's about doing small things consistently. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your new life won't be either. Stick with it, and you'll see the puzzle pieces falling into place. Another aspect of keeping it on the down low is avoiding negativity. Not everyone will understand your journey, and that's okay. Some might even try to bring you down. Protect your energy by limiting your exposure to negativity. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you on your journey. Next up, let's address the elephant in the room: failure. Spoiler alert, it's a part of life. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Life is a long journey with plenty of twists and turns. If you stumble, it's not the end, it's just a detour. Learn from it, get back up and keep moving forward. Remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it.